Welcome back, student. Now we'll continue doing practice time 2. A. Compare the following fractions and fill in the boxes with smaller than, greater than or equal to sign. Number 1, 4 upon 7 and 11 upon 8. So these are all unlike fractions. So here in this 11 upon 8, the sign will go on this side. Okay. Then second one is 9 upon 15 and 21 upon 10. Again here the sign will go on 21 by 10. Then third one 35 upon 19 and 8 upon 20. Here the sign will go on this side. Now fourth one is 20 upon 31 and 40 upon 62. They both are equal fractions. How? If we multiply by 2, the numerator and the denominator, if we multiply by 2, we get the same answer. Like 20 2s are 40 and 31 2s are 62. So we have to put an equal to sign. Okay, student. Then B, tick the smallest fraction. In this we have to tick the smallest fraction and we have to write it in the box. As here the denominators are same, which is the smallest fraction, we can compare between the numerators. That is 2 is the smallest fraction. Like 2 by 7 we have to write here. Now here the numerator and denominator both are not same, isn't it? They are unlike fractions. So the fractions with the greatest denominator will be the smallest. Here the fraction with the greatest denominator is 11. So 4 by 11 will be the smallest. So take this. Then again 6 upon 15, 3 upon 12 and 2 upon 24. They are also unlike fractions. What we have to see, the fraction with the greatest denominator is 24 here. So 2 upon 24 is the lowest or smallest, we can say. Here denominators are the same. We can compare between the numerators. So which will be the smallest? 5 by 18. Take this and write 5 upon 18. Okay. Now see, arrange the following fractions in ascending order. Ascending order, you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Here one mixed number is also there. So we have to write it in proper fraction. 37 ones are 37 plus 20 is 57 upon 37. Okay. And then we can easily compare. See, I have written. So first ascending order means we have to arrange them from smaller to bigger. So 5 upon 37, which is less than 9 upon 37, which is less than 18 upon 37, which is less than 25 upon 37, and which is less than 57 upon 37. What is this 57 upon 37? This is the mixed number. Okay. And similar way, second and third you can compare. Seeing the numerator, by comparing the numerators, you can arrange them in ascending order. Then D, arrange the following fractions in descending order. See, 9 upon 17, 3 upon 17, 2, 5 upon 17, then 10 upon 17 and 1 upon 17. Here also the numerators are same, but we have to solve this mixed fraction, mixed number into proper fraction. So 17 2s are is 34 plus 5, 37 upon 17. See, I have written this. No need to solve this fraction. We can directly write. First will be 2 5 upon 17, which is greater than 1 upon 17, which is greater than 10 upon 17, and then 9 upon 17, and then 3 upon 17. This we have to arrange in descending order. So descending order means from bigger number to smaller number we have to arrange. Okay. And the third one I will do. Second one you can try it on your own. Third one, you can see all are unlike fractions. So in this what we have to do, First we have to write 15 upon 34, then 6 upon 17, then 9 upon 34, and then 5 upon 34, and then 2 upon 17. These are all arranged in descending order. Okay, this way you have to do. Now we'll move on to the next page, that is addition of fractions. Addition of like fractions. To add two or more like fractions, add all the numerators and put the sum over the same denominator. Example, add 4 upon 9 plus 1 upon 9. So we have to write it together, 4 plus 1 upon 9. So 5 upon 9. This is very easy. Now addition of unlike fractions. How to add unlike fractions? When you want to add unlike fractions, first change them to like fractions and then add. See, add 1 upon 3 plus 5 upon 6. Let us add. First we have to find out the LCM of the denominators, 3 and 6. So multiples of 3 and 6, and multiples of 6 is 6. So least common multiple is 6. Now change both the denominators to the LCM, that is 6. 1 by 3, if we want the LCM as 6, the denominator as 6, what we have to do? We have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. 1 2s are 2 and 3 2s are 6. Same way, if we want the denominator 6, what we have to multiply? The numerator and denominator by 1. So 5 1s are 5 and 6 1s are 6. Now add the numerators and keep the denominator same. See, 1 upon 3 plus 5 upon 6 is equal to this 2 upon 6 plus 5 upon 6, which is 7 upon 6. Okay. Now practice time 3. Add the following fractions. 5 upon 12 plus 5 upon 12. This we can easily add. 5 plus 5 is 10 upon 12. Isn't it? Same way, 5 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7 is 6 upon 7. This also you can do now. Now addition of unlike fractions. How to do? Find the LCM, the same method, and then change both the denominators to the LCM and then add. Do this also as homework. Now we'll move on to the next page, addition of mixed numbers. We have seen how to add like fractions, unlike fractions. Now we'll see how to add mixed fractions or mixed numbers. Like example 4, 1 upon 2 plus 1, 1 upon 4. Solution, method 1. Step 1 is add the whole numbers. Here what is the whole numbers? 4 and 1, they are whole numbers. That is 5. This is the first answer. Step 2, add the fractions after finding the LCM of denominators and changing them to like fractions. Same way as we did for addition of unlike fractions. Same way we have to find out the LCM of 2 and 4. Here the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. See how they have solved here. So 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4. This 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4 is equal to. How we got this 2 upon 4 and 1 upon 4? We have to change with the common denominator, or we have to keep the denominator same, that is 4. Here you can see 1 by 2. What we have to do to get the answer 4? We have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. 1 2s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. And again we have to keep the denominator same, that is 4. 1 upon 4. What we have to do? We have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 1 to get the answer 4. Isn't it? 1 1s are 1 and 4 1s are 4. So we have got this number. So 3 upon 4 is the second answer. See, 2 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 they have done here. And we have got this answer 3 upon 4. This is the second answer. And step 3 will be add the first and the second answers together. What is the first answer? 5. And the second answer is 3 upon 4. So we'll get this answer 5 3 upon 4. Isn't it? Hence the 5 3 upon 4 is the final answer. Now method 2. This is also a very easy method. Step 1, change both mixed numbers to improper fractions. First we have to solve this. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is 9 by 2 and 4 1s are 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4. Now step 2, add the fractions after finding the LCM of the denominators and changing them to like fractions. Again we have to find the LCM of this denominator, that is 2 and 4, is 4, and change them into like fractions. Same way, keep the denominator same, 4, and what we have to do, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 to get this answer, that is 2 2s are 4 and 9 2s are 18. Similar way, we have to multiply by 1 here to get the answer 4, that is 4 1s are 4 and 5 1s are 5. So whatever the answer we get, that is 8 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4, it is 23 upon 4. If the final answer is an improper fraction, change it to a mixed number by dividing the numerator by the denominator to find the number of wholes and parts in the improper fraction. That means we have to divide and find out the answer. So we'll get 5 3 upon 4. Hence 5 3 upon 4 is the final answer. There are two methods of finding addition of mixed numbers. Okay students, so practice time 4 I will continue in the next video. Thank you.